Welcome back to the my new video guys in my YouTube channel. Today friends we are going to talk about guys how can we disable airplane mode in our oppo phone. Guys, you want to disable your airplane mode setting in your oppo phone, so how can you disable and guys, how can you remove guys this airplane icon on your screen. Guys, you have this airplane mode icon you want to remove, so you can remove. First of all guys, open your phone setting to disable airplane mode guys. Scroll it friends, you can see your connection and sharing option, tap here. As you can see guys, your aeroplane mode setting. So friends, you want to disable guys, right side of this icon guys, you can see in your oppo phone. So friends, you can disable guys, we will click on this icon, then guys aeroplane mode option will disable in our oppo phone guys, and guys, this icon will remove on your screen, aeroplane icon. So that's it guys, thanks for watching the video guys. Now we will meet on next video guys with new topic. Before going guys, please go and like the video, subscribe the channel. Friends, you have any doubt related to guys your airplane mode setting and another setting, you can ask me in comment section, I will check, I will help you. Bye.